All right, Emma.
Habla español.
Cut. What's going on, Mike Via Trading? Today I'm going to show you what this entire truckload looks like. These are brand new master case ARW lots. They are master case condition, which means original brown boxes, the way you see it. These are shipped directly from a distribution center to us. They haven't even made it to the store, which means they're newer than new overstock. Now, what can you expect to receive in this? We're about to find out. Now, each pallet will contain somewhere around 4 to 5 different SKUs, which means 4 to 5 different items, different categories. What are they exactly? I don't know 100%, which is why we're gonna go through it. Now, some pallets could just have 1 item. Some pallets could have 2, some pallets could have 3. In the main, it's somewhere around 4 or 5. Now, what's the value? I don't know. What do I pay? I don't know. Well, you're about to find out. So these typically have a value of $100,000 plus. $100,000 plus. Now, at the time of recording, we are selling these at $17,550, which equates to $675 per pallet. That's only $675 per pallet. Look at that. Look how tall these pallets are. I did not pick the 2 tallest pallets. I am 6 foot tall. Okay, no, I'm 5'7". But look how tall they are. They're ginormous, and majority of them, if not all, are that tall. Now, you're gonna buy a load in a week, and you're gonna get 1 pallet that's my height. You're gonna call me and be like, Mike, why? You told me they're all giant. I did not. I said, look at this particular load. They are all giant. And majority of the time, majority of all the loads are gonna be around this height. Now, enough about the height. Let's get into the meat and potatoes of all this merchandise. We're gonna quickly take you through all the inventory that we've taken out from these pallets to show you the categories you can expect to receive. Things like baby items, clothing, shoes, home decor, kitchen items, kitchen appliances. I'm sure I missed a bunch of different things, but assorted merchandise from a major department store. So, enough of me. Let's go right through it, and I'll see you in a few seconds. All right, so that's a really quick snippet of the type of items you can expect to receive. Now, as you see, we took maybe 1 or 2 boxes down per pallet. So we said there could be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 different SKUs per pallet. We don't know exactly until you receive it. But for example, this pallet, we took down. We did not show you what's inside these boxes, which are floor lamps, for example. But take a look at it. Take a look at this entire load. You got Gerber items. We had Minnie Mouse. We had cutting boards. What do you have? More clothing. You've got home decor, so you got more baby items. You got bedding. You got pots and pans. Look at those. Tefal pots and pans, brand new, retail ready. I don't care what kind of reseller you are. Retail, wholesale, auction, online, swap meet, flea markets, yard sales. There is value for money in these loads. There is money to be made. So make sure you speak to your account manager. Speak to them, tell them you want the ARW mix lots. Find out additional information on them. Again, these are master case, which means they are brand new. Look at them, brand new original packaging. They're non-manifested, they ship out of here. They are brand new, 26 pallets per loads. Enough of me, call your account manager, call, like, subscribe, comment below. Peace!